Service in Rapid City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern Meade County in west central South Dakota, north central Custer County in southwestern South Dakota, Southeastern Lawrence County in west central South Dakota, Southwestern Pennington County in west central South Dakota, until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles southwest of Nemo to 3 miles northwest of Rockerville to 4 miles southwest of Hermosa, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Bear Country around 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Rapid City, Hermosa, Dalton Lake, Reptile Gardens, and Hart Ranch around 4:35 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Somerset, Black Hawk, Piedmont, Tilford, and Black Gap around 4:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Rapid Valley around 4:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Ellsworth Air Force Base, Box Elder, Coputa, Thompson Butte, Rapid City Airport, Farmingdale, and Railroad Buttes. This includes Interstate 90 in South Dakota between mile markers 40 and 74. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for southwestern and west central South Dakota. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following areas in South Dakota: Central Pennington, Custer, Eastern Pennington, Lawrence, Southern Meade, Western Meade, and Western Pennington.